The JLP administration has only been in office for a little over 4 months. And I can't say they've made an auspicious start. In fact, I wonder if they even talk to each other. Or if they do, it must be like the Tower of Babel. Because we hear Wami reversing Shaw on the Mobile bypass. Then we hear Henry reversing Wami on the Mandela bus lane. And then we have Malahoo reversing all over the place. Everybody lane. Minister of Justice lane, Minister of Security lane, even U.S. Embassy lane up at the end. But the man who must take the cake for reversing is Royal Reid. Because he reversed himself. He calls it clarification. So he announces no auxiliary fee, and then the auxiliary fees that he has abolished, he caps it then at 20,000. And then after capping it at 20,000, he says, but you can still charge more, just don't call it auxiliary fee.